Hi guys and welcome to another great video. In today's video we have for you a brand new Blink doorbell. This is a wireless Blink doorbell and it costs about £50 on Amazon, and this is how it looks like. So what we're going to do is we're going to do an unboxing video. We're going to unbox this. So let's go ahead and open this up. Rip it up and see all the contents of this. So this is how it looks like. So I'll put the camera down. So pretty much it opens like this. The box. So that's how the box is, and then you have obviously the doorbell inside of this. And there you have it. It's actually there. That's the doorbell. And just open it up. This is contains the batteries. Batteries come in a separate kind of box, and there we go. It's got the actual doorbell here. So guys, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel for more great unboxing videos. We're going to buy some new stuff, and yeah, check out our new videos. We buy lots of gadgets which we could basically unbox for you. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.